welcome back to this channel. In today's video I want to show you a simple home remedy that will help get rid of itchiness and dandruff from your scalp. This simple home remedy is going to help grow your hair, is going to strengthen your hair strands and increase the thickness and the depth of your hair. So if this is your first time stopping by, please click the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell for more updates on this channel, and please share this video with your friends. So let's get started with the preparation of this remedy. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It is rich in antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that will help fight bacteria and any kind of inflammation from your scalp, leaving your scalp smooth, free from itchiness and dandruff. Ginger is rich in vitamin C. It's also rich in vitamin E and other nutrients that will help radiate the skin on your scalp, prevent or more so reduce the aging process of your scalp, and stimulate the growth of your hair. It is going to prevent split ends and moisturize your hair. And wash this ginger thoroughly, then we grate it. Our ginger is nicely washed. Grate it. Already sliced lemon, so we'll just squeeze it into the grated ginger. Take out all the seeds. Mix this thoroughly till completely combined. What you do is you partition your hair into sections and apply this to the scalp of your head. Massage it in gently. Massage gently into your scalp. Then you leave it for 20 minutes. Allow it to sink into your scalp. Allow your scalp to absorb this liquid completely. Repeat this process 3 times a week. In 2 weeks, I bet you're going to have a wonderful result. You're going to be free from dandruff and itchiness from your scalp. So guys, this is all there is to this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends and loved ones. click the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated when we post new videos. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.